I've got a duck.
Got a duck.
Yeah.
Oh, shame. What else have you done with the duck? That's actually a goose. That's not. What the fuck are you doing?
This
That's
is a
actually
Peking duck. This is a Peking duck.
A peacock.
No, peacock, totally different thing. A Pekin, no, a pectin duck.
A picton.
Yeah, Pectin. Pectin.
Picton. It sounds like a STD. I've got picton. New fuck. You know sausage?
I mean, you could get really nice some tofu sausages. That's actually
No, we
beautiful.
don't like tofu. We want the real thing. Real meat. Lekker fucking sausages. The one we like the most is boerewors. You know boerewors?
No, the best sausages out there is not a Richmond one, no?
The best sausage is boerewors. Listen to me. I know my wors. You must listen to me. The boerewors. The boer is the one that goes into the landerye and plants the saadjies and all the food you consume. Your tofu, vegan kak. Consumed is from the boer. And the boer has got big tolly. Like a groot boerewors. It's the boerewors that's hanging on the boer.
So what's the best type of sausage? Bora.
Boerewors. Say it.
Boerewors.